Hey guys, Chef Kendra here, and I'm so excited. I love curly fries. Nice and spirally, lots of flavor. They're delicious. So let's you and I make it happen. We're going to get this party started by washing, peeling, and getting our potatoes in some water. We don't want them turning brown on us. Next, we're going to cut off both ends so the potatoes fit in our little spiralized gadget. This one is okay, but I do wish the notches were bigger so we can make thicker curls. All we have to do is slap the potato on that little circle thing, press down the spiky top. I know all these, of course, are technical terms. And we're going to crank it. I'll drop a link in the description. But it was inexpensive and does a great job, especially on zucchini, carrots, and stuff like that. I gotta say, for it not costing much, it's super easy to use and clean. But I digress. After each potato, I'll put them in some water. Once they're all done, we slide over to the sink, rinse these boys off, and put the bowl in the fridge for a half hour to rest. We're tossing in some flour and cornstarch in this giant bowl. And we're going to give it a whisk just like so. This is onion powder, garlic powder, salt, sugar, cayenne pepper, black pepper, paprika. Now that we whisk this all together, next we're going to whisk while pouring in some water. We're going to do this until it's nice and smooth. We have a medium heavy bottom pot that we're adding some vegetable oil to, and we're going to turn the heat to medium and bring the oil up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While the oil is heating up, we're going to pull out our curly potatoes out of the fridge, pour out the water, and break them into more reasonable sized pieces. We're going to get some into the batter. They all won't fit, but we're frying in batches anyway. Once some is in the fryer, we'll add more to the batter. Got it? No big deal, right? Our oil is up to temperature, and we're going to fry some of these boys up. We will not overcrowd the pan, will we? No, we won't. Small controlled batches. These are ready when they are golden brown and cooked through. Sprinkle with a little salt after cooking, but taste them first so you won't over-salt them. Guys, I'm sorry there's no tasting today. They went too fast. That's on me. They were all gone. Everybody ate them all up. And then I remember, oh, I suppose I tasted these for the video. So back to tasting next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.